Demystifying the phrase, muscle up. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in casual conversations or perhaps during a workout session. It's the term, muscle up. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it appropriately in different contexts. When you hear the term, muscle up, in a gym or fitness setting, it refers to a specific exercise. This exercise is a combination of a pull-up followed by a dip. It's performed on either a pull-up bar or gymnastic rings. The steps are: 1. Start with a strong pull-up motion. 2. Transition your body above the bar or rings. 3. Complete the movement with a dip, pushing your body upwards. It's a challenging exercise and requires a mix of strength, coordination, and technique. Outside the gym, muscle up can be used figuratively. It means to muster or summon up strength, courage, or determination. It's often used to motivate or encourage someone to face a challenge or tough situation. Examples: I know the final exam is hard, but you've got to muscle up and give it your best. The team is counting on you. It's time to muscle up and lead. When using the phrase, muscle up, context is key. 1. In a fitness setting, it's almost always about the exercise. 2. In casual conversations, it's about gathering strength or courage. It's also worth noting that the term, muscle up, is informal. While it's great for casual chats, motivational talks, or gym discussions, it may not be the best choice for very formal situations. And there we have it. Now you know all about the phrase, muscle up, both its literal and figurative meanings. We hope this video has shed some light on this dynamic term, and you feel more confident using it in your daily English conversations. Remember, language is all about understanding and context, so muscle up your language skills and keep learning.